Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The Synjuk Rangbah Shnong of border areas, through representatives of Raid Nongtung, had met Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the 9th of August 2022 to discuss on Phase 2 of border talks between Meghalaya and Assam. A memorandum on the same effect was also submitted to the Chief Minister. As many as 18 villages fall under the areas of differences that include Langpi, Block 1, Block 2, Bordwar, Nongwa Mautamur and Khanduli. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, while speaking to media persons, informed that after Independence Day, talks will resume with his Assam counterpart, Himanta Biswa Sarma, to resolve the border dispute of the remaining 6 areas of differences. Sangma added that the process may take some time, but the MDA government is committed to address the concerns of the people of the state living in the border areas.
And we are confident that we will be able to find a solution to the rest of the 6 locations also. But it's a process. It's something that we cannot say will happen today or tomorrow, but it will take time, and we have to move forward, and we have to allow the process to continue, and we have to consult and engage with all the stakeholders that are involved. And hence I informed them that in this visit of mine, when I had gone for the Niti Aayog meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself, we had a detailed meeting for a long time, and we have decided that we will be having for the Phase 2 within the next few days after the Independence Day. So exact date has to be finalized, but we will be meeting in Guwahati, and we will be forming the regional committees, and we will take the process forward for the second phase of the areas of differences. And as I said, that it's not a simple process. Things are much more complicated, and even Karbi District Council is involved, and hence we have to involve everybody in the discussion. And like we have done for the first phase, similarly in the second phase also, we will involve stakeholders, traditional heads, different councils, and more importantly the public in general, to be able to figure out how we could reach to the best possible solution by carrying everybody along with us. The members had mentioned about development schemes and different issues. I informed to them that development is something that we should all welcome, and that based on the implementation of development schemes or central schemes, it does not determine which state it falls under. So whichever state may implement, development is important, but at the end of the day, that is not going to be a criteria for determining which area or which state that particular area falls under.